ikaw ba, did you ever dream of, ano rin, yung Agridobo being a Michelin?
Wow!
Recognized din one day.
Wow, that's a dream. Definitely a dream, no? Suntok sa buwan dati kasi marinig na may Michelin restaurant sa Pilipinas. Kasi dati yan sa mga first world countries, di ba? Then, may mga Bangkok na, may pa Hong Kong and all. So, when we heard that Michelin is coming here to the Philippines to try out restaurants, masaya ako for the restaurants na nabisita nila. Because I'm proud of all the chefs that's been, putting up their own restaurants and their own spin on it. Agridobo having a Michelin star or a Michelin bib or a gourmand bib. Of course, mas napakasarap isipin, hindi ba? But, when we were putting up Agridobo, wala talaga sa utak ko. When I was creating recipes for Agridobo, hindi ko nilagay sa utak ko na, okay, kailangan one day pag bumisita ang Michelin company dito, dapat makapasok ako. Kasi hindi na ako makakagawa ng pagkain na napipressure na ako. But of course, it's a dream. It is a dream. But then again, probably baka hindi din yun ang tinatahak ng karera ko when it comes to me being a chef. I know naman my capacity. I know my talent in the kitchen. I'm probably not yet there. But I'm very happy for all the chefs and all the restaurants, especially yung mga karinderya. Kailangan nila yon. Deserve nila yon. Kumbaga, iyon na magpapatunay na siguro, actually marami pa silang hindi na pwede pang bigyan ng mga stars eh. Sa dami lang na mahuhusay ng magluto dito sa Pilipinas, baka dapat yung Michelin tour nila, 1 taon. Kasi if ipapasok natin ang Cebu, ang Pampanga, ang Laguna, Batangas, Bicol, kumbaga, buong Pilipinas, ang daming pwedeng i-showcase na pagkain. So I would say na, hindi pa tapos ang laban. Wow! Nakikipaglaban pa lang. But happy ako where Agridobo is. Kumbaga, we've somehow created our own community. We've somehow created our community of college students in Taft and the office workers there. I'm happy with my Agridobo family. Kung saan man kami dalihin ng Agos in the future, probably yun talaga yung path ko as a chef. And more than that, bonus na talaga yun kung sakali man.